Now coming to the end of our beautiful evening. This, of course, is a cultural forum. It's a forum for peace, understanding, mutual harmony. And now we welcome Abhirupa Goswami onto stage. She will be performing a beautiful song called Moghai Bhule Dulor Mat. Assam, as we know, is a land of diverse tribes, communities, cultures, and traditions, yet bound together by the shared spirit of harmony and brotherhood. The timeless piece, Moghai Bhule Dulor Mat, sung by Loknath Goswami, beautifully reflects this unity. The song carries a message that beyond caste, tribe, community, we are one. Indeed, we are one. Beyond religion, beyond boundaries, we are all one. It celebrates the idea that differences in language, attire, customs do not divide us. Instead, they enrich the cultural fabric of Assam and the world. Through its heartfelt lyrics, the song echoes a collective identity, a reminder that unity and mutual respect from the true strength of the land. Moghai Bhule Dulor Mat, song performance by Abhirupa Goswami.
Mic is not working.
Hello. Namaskar and good evening to every one of you. जाने बुझे खोजे प्रति उजुटी है खाओ मोघाई बुले धुलोर मान इन्हीं की दिंदा मोघाई बुले धुलोर मान इन्हीं की दिंदा कुनोर हमने दागे वो माते रे खो जाओ মঘায় ফুলে ধুলার মান দিনে কি দিন যাও কোনো রকম না লাগে মুখ মাটি রেখো যাও মঘায় ফুলে ধুলার মান দিনে কি দিন যাও কোনো রকম না লাগে মুখ মাটি রেখো 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 যাও। Thank you.